Hi ladies, I'm trying out a new video program that allows me to make video tutorials so you can see what I'm doing instead of the screen captures that I've posted on the lounge. I figured I would test it out with the blemishes that I did on Ringo's image on fixing them. I want you to open up Lightroom and you're going to go to the development tab up here. Let me move this. You're going to go up here to the development tab. Once you get here, you can see there's a difference between the library and the develop tab. You're going to click on this spot removal, and that's what we use to go ahead and fix the blemishes, quote unquote, that are on Ringo. You can do clone or you can do heal. I prefer to have it on clone. But they're almost basically the same thing, just a minor difference. But like I said, I prefer clone. I encourage you to play around with that and see which one works best for you. Right now I have my brush size at 78. I'm probably going to make that a little bit smaller, and how I do that is I use the bracket keys. You can use the left bracket key to make it smaller and the right bracket key to make it larger. And we're going to go ahead and start cleaning up this image here. Ringo's got just a couple spots on him that shouldn't be there, so we're going to clean it up. I'm going to try not to be too picky with this image right now since this is our first video that we're doing. Also, in my workflow that I posted on the lounge, I talked about sunspot removal. You can see right here we've got some red and some blue, and those were the sunspots that I'm talking about. So I use the same process that I do to remove the blemishes on Ringo's fur as I do for the sunspots. So I'm just going to go ahead and take those out. And once you're done with the blemishes that you can see, you can go ahead and close this here to get rid of all those circles and whatnot, just to look at your image to make sure that it looks correctly. Now right here, when it went and fixed the blemish that was right here, it kind of took a piece of fur that's not supposed to be there. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to open this back up, and you see I can just click on that and then I can move it around here to where I want it to be, and I'm going to put it at about right there, and I think that should work for that piece of fur. And so Ringo's looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you have any questions on blemish removal, please feel free to post them in the lounge, and we'll get you taken care of. I hope you enjoyed the first video tutorial.